Let's talk another term, which is slippage, and this is going to have an effect on how you view your stats versus the copier slash the bot you're copying's trades and statistics. So in previous lessons, I mentioned stop out, and I mentioned, what was the other term I mentioned? Pullbacks. Yes, thanks to my cameraman Bill here. So stop out is what we were talking about, margin call. It's kind of I guess you could look at it as the same thing. So when you get margin called, you're stopped out, right? That's, somebody, can make a comment or correct me in the Discord or here, you know, but that, to me, that's basically, kind of the same thing. You just got stopped out, you got margin called, whatever. Maybe there's a difference, but at the end of the day, I just want to count how much money I'm making and know how much money I'm losing, right? A lot of the others, I just want to know what I need to know to make that work. In terms of pullback, pullback is, which I'll talk more on in the basket trading strategy. A pullback is just, as you go multiple trades against your position, you're going into losses and you're taking out other orders. So if your first loss, say your first position was at $1, and then all of a sudden, and you're selling and you wanted it to go to 50 cents, but it went to $2 and $3 and $4 and it's going against you. Well, you don't necessarily need it to go from where it's at $4 all the way back to $1 where you took your first order, because you took more lots as the orders came out. You only have to pull back so far, right? So if you had one order at $1 and the second order at $2, you only have to pull back halfway to break even, right? Because you lose 50 cents on one order, but you made 50 cents on the other, so you broke even. So the term pullback, just relates to how far you need to go in your favor to just close out all the orders. So you might have 9 orders open, you might only win 2 and lose 7, but you made money at the end of the day. That is essentially what the basket trading strategy does, which I'll explain more later. Now, in terms of slippage, which we're going to talk about here, is slippage is that lag between when the bot takes the trade with the broker and that signal, which we'll talk about later, is sent to your account. So because we're dealing with thousandths or hundredths or whatever of a penny, you could have maybe a 3-point difference or a 1 pip difference. Now in your Easy Trading Bots dashboard, by default, I believe your settings are set to 5 points. Or 5 points. I believe it's 5 points. And some people increase this to 10. So if the bot takes an order and it's more than 5 points, it won't send you the order, because it doesn't want to send you the order, because that price difference might mean the bot wins and you lose, right? But with the basket trading strategy, people have increased their slippage, because that doesn't really matter as much in a basket, because you just want to get that order. So slippage is basically the price difference between what you'll get. You'll never get it to the exact amount. There is always going to be slippage. Even when the markets move fast and the bot closes orders, when the bot closes, it might close the order at one price, and then the price might go deeper and you might get more of a gain, because you got 5 points more than the bot took. You might get 5 points less than the bot took. It just depends on how fast that market goes. And earlier today, we saw with gold, the price went like 1,400 points within 5 minutes. So when it just zipped right down and triggered the bot to take profit, it closed out like 11 orders, because it was in an 11 basket deep order. And all of those orders closed at different levels, because the price moved so fast that order 1 was at this price, and then order 2 and order 3. And even though it all happened within a second, it just, those nanoseconds, the price was just all over the place, right? So that's where those discrepancies come from. So you could see, oh, the bot made $1,000 and I made 1,400. Well, slippage benefited you that time. There might be a time where the bot makes $200 and you make $40. Or maybe the bot makes $100 and you lose $50, or the bot lost $50 and you made $50. That's what slippage will cause, essentially. So if you do want to learn more about that, I encourage you to join the Discord and talk to the community, and we'd be happy to answer any specific questions that you would have about it.